Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. 1-year-old home in Haven at 7 Lakes. Former model home. Home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, flex space and an oversized 2-car garage. Living area has an open concept floor plan with a fireplace, a large open kitchen that includes quartz countertops, a large island, and a double oven. Huge covered patio area for entertaining. Energy efficient home including a tankless water heater, low E windows and HVAC. Convenient access to multiple grocery stores, shopping as well as quick access to the Grand Parkway and Westpark Tollway. Quick access to Energy Corridor and Houston. Highly desired KISD schools zoned to Wilson Elementary, 7 Lakes JHS and HS.